Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the barcode scanner not working on ladder. So if the barcode scanner in this app is not scanning, freezing or showing a black screen, you will need first to allow the camera permission, okay? So you only just go with the settings or your phone's settings, okay? So right here, go ahead and tap on it and then just look for the privacy and security. So scroll all the way down to here and then just go with privacy and security option as I said. So tap it and here you will need to scroll all the way down here till you can find the camera option, okay? So tap it and then just go and tap on ladder if you can find it here and enabled access for it, okay? So missing camera permission is one of the most common causes of scanner issues. And also guys, I really advise you to force close and reopen the app. And to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then just remove the app completely, right that way, and then just find another app and reopen it, okay? So just tap it. And also guys, I really advise you to restart your iPhone. So many iOS barcode scanner bugs are fixed by a full reboot, okay? So multiple users reported this solved scanner freezes immediately, okay? And why not checking for an update for the app? So just go ahead with your Apple App Store right here and then just tap on your profile picture or icon that's located at the top right corner here, and then guys you only just scroll down and just find a letter and tap on updates if available, okay? So just like this one. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.